Are the battery terminals in your vehicle letting you down? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of battery terminals, where we'll unveil the best battery terminals that not only enhance performance but boost safety. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to upgrade, we've got you covered. Stick around as we share expert tips, highlight top products, and reveal the secrets to keeping your vehicle's power flowing smoothly. You won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Number 5. Tonda battery terminals are your ultimate solution for superior connectivity in your vehicle's electrical system. With versatile gauge compatibility, they support 0/4 and 8/10 gauge inputs, making them ideal for a wide range of wire sizes and vehicle models. Crafted from durable zinc alloy and copper, these battery terminals ensure enhanced conductivity while providing impressive corrosion resistance. Say goodbye to current transmission loss. The easy-to-use design features strong screws for secure connections that stand the test of time. Plus, the adjustable copper spacers allow for flexible setups, with clear indicators for positive and negative terminals. Remember to check your tapered post size before purchasing, as these connectors are compatible only with standard top post tapered terminals. For reliable and efficient performance, look no further than Tonda battery terminals, truly the best battery terminals on the market. Number 4. Vgate lead-acid battery terminal clamps. Designed with innovation in mind, these clamps boast 12-way connectors featuring 6 2/0 AWG hole holders and 6 8mm threaded studs, accommodating wire gauges from 8 AWG up to 4/0 XL AWG. Crafted from high-quality 6061 aluminum, they promise precision, toughness, and superior corrosion resistance. Versatile and compatible with battery voltages ranging from 6V to 48V, these clamps are perfect for a variety of applications, including cars, RVs, motorcycles, and solar power banks. With tapered post types for SAE, DAN, and EN connections, installation is a breeze. Just remember, if you're connecting to lithium batteries, you'll need an additional stud-to-post adapter. For easy assembly, loosen the clamp fully before securing, and you'll be ready to power your adventures without hassle. Number 3. SUNMORN battery terminal connectors are the ultimate choice for those seeking the best battery terminals on the market. Engineered with superior connectivity, these heavy-duty connectors are made from high-quality conductive materials, ensuring exceptional electrical contact and reduced resistance. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, they resist corrosion, rust, and wear, making them reliable for both indoor and outdoor use. You'll appreciate the user-friendly installation, as the simple clamping mechanism allows for quick attachment without needing expert skills. Their versatile compatibility means they work seamlessly with a range of battery types, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and RVs. Plus, safety is paramount with built-in features to protect against short circuits and electrical hazards, ensuring peace of mind during use. Upgrade your battery system's performance with SUNMORN's durable, efficient, and safe battery terminal connectors. Number 2. Kaas lead-acid battery terminal clamps. This impressive set includes both positive and negative terminals with 4-way connectors, perfectly tailored for SAE, DAN, and EN tapered top posts. Featuring a user-friendly design, these clamps include easy-to-tighten heads and anti-loosening screws, ensuring a secure connection without the hassle. Made from durable heat-treated 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, they boast superior conductivity and outstanding corrosion resistance due to unique color anodization and a specially engineered conductive zone. The versatility of these clamps accommodates various vehicles, from cars and motorcycles to RVs and trucks. Plus, with the inclusion of OEM top post adapters, installation is a breeze with no need for modifications. Experience enhanced performance and reliability with the Kaas battery terminal clamps, your ultimate solution for dependable power distribution. Number 1. Moly Magnolia car battery terminal connectors, your ultimate choice for the best battery terminals. Crafted from high-quality brass and steel, these connectors boast exceptional corrosion resistance and electrical conductivity, minimizing voltage distortion and transmission loss. With 4 ports for easy cable connections, wiring has never been more straightforward. The clear positive and negative labels on the connectors ensure that you can easily recognize the correct orientation, perfect for a hassle-free installation. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles including cars, vans, trucks, and more, these connectors are designed to work seamlessly with SAE/JIS type of posts. Each set comes complete with essential accessories, including insulation sleeves, cleaning brushes, anti-corrosion washers, and a hex wrench to simplify installation and maintenance. Upgrade your vehicle's battery system with the Moly Magnolia connectors and experience the blend of quality, convenience, and durability that you deserve. In conclusion, investing in the best battery terminals can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance and longevity. From corrosion resistance to easy installation, these terminals offer essential benefits that shouldn't be overlooked. Remember to choose the right fit for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more informative content. Happy driving, and see you in the next video.